Did you know that you could buy a diamond ring for $4,500 of fake cash? And through this video, it's going to build up from him going from buying a fish to buying a $4,500 ring with fake cash, and exactly how he did it. I didn't think it was possible too until Derren Brown proved it was possible. Watch this.
I'd like to... Can I buy some of your soul?
So as you can see what he's doing here, he's literally just going into a store and asking to buy something. A very simple task that you can do.
Thank you. It's a fantastic place.
Thank you.
You a local? Have you always lived in this area?
20 years.
Now he's sort of participating in small talk, and notice what happens when he starts asking questions and the words that he uses.
20 years, Jesus. Okay, so how much was that?
1855.
I was a bit intimidated by the subway system. I didn't want to go on it, and then someone said, you know, it's okay, take it.
And also don't forget, he's actually having a conversation with him about his life, so he's building good rapport. When you have good rapport with someone, you just trust people much easier.
Take it, it's fine. So
he's using an embedded command here. It's okay, take it.
take it, it's fine.
Take it, it's fine.
I did, but it's amazing. And you, where did you live before this then?
I live in Staten Island now.
Staten Island, which is just over the water, isn't it? Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, yeah, thank you.
Tell me that's not crazy.
Hi, hello, can I get a hot dog, please?
This is what I want to show you can actually happen as well, because it's not going to happen every single time.
You know, I can find the nearest drugstore. Which one? Okay, straight down there. Yeah, I got a terrible headache. Do you know what's good for you to take so you can just take that and feel okay? What is that?
Obviously, this guy clocks onto it, and once they clock onto it, you've sort of lost anyway, because they now don't believe you. You've broken every rule, and they now don't trust you. Whereas with the other guy, he had great rapport.
You know, my dad's 65. Yeah, and you can keep the change.
Now, this is one of my favourite things when you say something like this. You're completely confusing them, and they're going to go, wait, what?
Bro, what is this? That's Ben. What is this?
I'm sorry. Oh, there you go. Thank you. I thought you accepted that here. Thank you, my friend. Kind of interested in maybe one of these bands down here. These are platinum, are they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's very nice. So, can you tell me about it? So it's...
This is a quantum ring with a diamond.
By the way, make sure you subscribe. I'm watching you. I'm already repeating this just one more time. He's just building rapport straight away, first thing. He's got no weird energy. He's just going in very normal.
This one's
4,500.
4,500.
Mm-hmm.
See how nicely it's finished?
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, fantastic. Well, I will take that as it is. I'll give you cash for that.
I will take that as it is. Again, embedding the commands.
Thank you.
All right.
Great, lovely. I'll let you box that up. Thank you very much. What's the nearest subway here? Just on the corner down there. So is that north or south that way? Or neither? That's west that way. Okay, so that's right, north up there. I've been thinking the wrong way. Thank you very much indeed. So, straight down there on the corner?
Uh-huh.
Fantastic. And, yeah, I was a bit intimidated about using the subways here, but my friend just said, take it, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I was a bit intimidated about that, but that's great. So, straight down there. That way down on this corner?
Yep.
That way on that, straight down there. Thank you very much indeed.
So this begs the question, if you can confuse someone to take money, can you confuse them to change a belief or even an emotion? Like, now try and say that you're angry while you're doing this. It's like, it's virtually impossible to be angry while you're doing this. You're just completely shifting what would usually happen. Like, when someone gets angry, they tend to think negative thoughts. You're just shifting that. It's like they're getting angry and you're associating it with something silly.
That's like, I know too, like they say when you're sad or whatnot, if you kind of force yourself to smile, right? Like it's just kind of like confusing the brain, like kind of tricking it into thinking something else.
So if you're the type of person that wants to get something more from their life, I want you to watch this video here and go and take on this challenge for yourself.